Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to apply 2:35:1 cropping on your 16:9 footage to make your video look more cinematic. Let's begin. First, create an adjustment layer and drag it to the top of your timeline. Stretch the adjustment layer from end to end. Then go to the Effects tab and search for Crop. Drag the effect to the adjustment layer. Go to Effects Control and find the crop settings. Input a value of 12% to the top and bottom. This will give us a 235 overlay cropping. Now, we have a guide on how the final video will look like once we export the media. We can now reframe our footage to fit inside the crop marks. Once we have adjusted all the footage to the way that we wanted, we will now go to File, Export, Media, select desired format. Preset will depend on your desired output. For me, I'll be using 4K. Change the width and height of the frame to 3840 by 1634 pixels respectively. Make sure to turn off the maintain aspect ratio. Go to the Source tab at the upper left corner of the export window. Crop the top and bottom by 263 pixels. For 1080p and 720p video, check the values in the description below. Tick Render at maximum depth. Apply VBR2 pass. Check maximum render quality, and finally click export. I'll put a link in the description below for the sample output. Hope this video did help you. If it did, make sure to leave a like. Subscribe to this channel for more filmmaking tutorials. Turn post notification by hitting the bell icon. And again, thank you for watching.